I gonna do about Finn? Am I talking to her again? I could meet her somewhere. The Science Center or Trinity Church. No! She knows I lied to her now. She won't want to see me.
Hey, friends.
I gotta call you back.
Oh.
Alright, Miles. Spill it. Give me the whole situation.
Finn, Roxxon, Underground. It's just a lot, you know?
You're 17. You're stressed. And you're a superhero. You gotta cut yourself some slack. You still making beats?
Not much since I started this.
Work-life balance, kid. Most important thing. Here. Little project your dad and I started back in the day. Our mixtape. Had rhymes ready and everything.
How come I never heard about this?
Cause we never finished. We sampled street noise around the way. Wanted the city to be our beat. But your dad had the masters. And after things went bad between us... But you could finish what we couldn't. Plus, it'll take your mind off work.
Yeah. Okay. What do I do?
Load that up. I'll walk you through it. I'll set up holograms to guide you. Scan the source.
Holograms, huh? Okay, don't think about Finn. Focus on sounds. Clear my head.
Scan the holograms, and it'll unlock files on that drive I gave you. You figure out which sound you're looking for. Now try and find the original sound, and grab a clean sample. Great levels. You're in the pocket. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Rest of the sounds you need are spread across the city. I left a few messages for you too, to help you get a feel for each location.
Oh, dope.
Not now. Hey, get something you like?
Yeah, really unique dynamics.
See? Old man still knows his stuff.
And you were right about clearing my head, too. I know what to do about Finn. I gotta see her. Try to talk her out of all this.
In person? Where?
Trinity Church. Tomorrow night. Why so interested?
Cause you got a target on your back the size of Jersey.
You don't have to protect me.
Someone should.
You know, you said you never finished this tape because of how things went bad between you and Dad. What actually happened between you two?
It was complicated. We were too similar and too different. Finish the tape, get all the samples, and you'll hear the whole story. Promise.
All right, thanks, Unc.
Trinity Church. Remember, Tinker is yours. But leave the boy alone.
Man, I needed that. I was beat. Okay, I'm gonna call Finn. As soon as I'm ready to go.
face and...
That's your intro? Lame!
Your dad and I fell asleep listening to this sound every night when we were kids. It's got a good beat.
Okay. Something rhythmic that was around when Dad and Uncle Aaron were little. Pretty sure it's behind me.
Damn!
Yeah, that's it.
You probably don't know this, but your dad and I grew up not far from here, before we moved to Brooklyn in high school. Hearing the clatter of the...
All right, time to call Finn. Hope she answers.
Hi, Spider-Man.
Finn! Hey, we need to talk. In person.
So you can lie to me again?
So I can make this right. Please. Meet me at Trinity Church. No more lies. I promise.
If you're screwing with me... Fine. I'll see you there.
This is a good one. Me and your dad used to hang around here. Listen while the whole station came alive. That's what you need.
Something at the station.
I think hanging around here is how your dad got the idea to be a cop. I said, man, you're not uptight enough for that job. You wanted to make things better from the inside. Pretty sure he died trying.
You did make things better, Dad. And so will I. Hey, I'm back, Finn. Can you meet me at Trinity Church? I need to make things right between us.
If you're screwing...
This one was all your dad's idea. You need something that's always in this park. Quiet on their own. Loud in a group.
Loud in a group? How did Dad record this? Was he a pigeon whisperer?
This was way back, before high school. We were hanging in the park one day, and someone dropped a hot dog. You know how that goes. The place was swarming with pigeons.
Hey, I'm back, Finn. Can you meet me at Trinity Church? I need to make things right between us.
If you're screwing with me... Fine. I'll see you there.
At least she's willing to meet. Okay, Trinity Church. Let's go.
Your mom lived here right after college. You know that? She and your dad were dating. 3 of us spent a lot of time here. We got used to this soft, steady beat.
Soft beat. Yeah, it's subtle, but a good beat.
Things were good back then.
Hello, friends, and welcome to the Danicast. You may have heard that I endorsed candidate Rio Morales for city council in the special election, So today, I'm interviewing her. For real. Thank you for being on, Miss Morales. Thank you for inviting me. I absolutely love your show. Aw, thanks. So you're running against the incumbent in your district. How do you...
Times Square. Easy to find someone in the crowd here. Or lose them. Sound you need's like an electric current.
A current. Could cheat it with venom. Nah. I got it. I think it's back there.
I was on the train home.
Hey.
Nothing's ever good enough for you.
Wow.
Love the sunshine. Not the cold.
Really wish I could stay and chat, but I can't.
Electric.
See ya. I'm leaving before you do something.
Pretty sure it's behind me.
Thanks a lot, Sam.
Oh, that's cool. I love how alive that feels. Hey, kid!
This sound always feels like someone's celebrating. Even when it's just telling time. Your dad thought so too, so he had to include it.
A sound that tells time. Okay.
Is that?
That's it. Ringing on the hour.
Alright, that's enough of the cheap knockoff Spider-Man impersonation.
Have fun with this one. I had a repeat client I always met here. Got real used to waiting, listening, hearing this sound running on a tight schedule.
Sound on a schedule. Nah, getting too far away.
Naughty.
Sound of something on a schedule. Whoa, alliteration.
Careful!
pretty cool, but that happens all day. Not at specific times.
Oh my.
If I were Uncle Aaron sitting and listening, what would I hear?
I've gotten 5 calls about Morales' campaign. Those people don't quit.
Morales dead.
Pretty sure it's behind me.
Happy Hanukkah, Spider-Man.
Strike a pose.
I'm not gonna find it over here.
Ah, run!
Or is this an accident?
What?
Wow! All of these people with powers are carrying Spider-Man! How is it Christmas? Okay, so here we go.
I think it's back there.
Hey, strike a pose.
Eight nights of presents.
Them. Spider-Man.
Fairy horns. That's right.
Hey, Spider-Man.
Why you might be inside right now.
Well,
Hi, honey. What are you up to?
Oh, just, went on a run.
Again? Miles, you're working so hard lately. You need to carve out time to relax.
I am. I've been hanging with Genki, sampling music.
Working out all the time. Disappearing for hours.
This plaza and the blocks around it are alive with sound. What you're looking for is light, distinct.
Light, huh? Okay.
Happy holidays!
Want it to be. It's powerful. It's what our city needs.
Wind chimes. Sounds good.
This plaza is where I had my first job. I was fresh out of high school. Didn't have the gear or the... Hey, young blood. You got almost everything you need for the track. You just unlocked the spot where you can find the last piece. Hope it works for you.
Spot in Harlem. Wonder what the last piece is. Man in subway tunnels. Guess a good thief needs a good hideout. Whoa! I'm kinda jealous of his lair. The lab. The basement thing. Use the sounds. Frequency lock? Something new every day.
Hey, kid. Hope the suit fits. You asked why me and your dad stopped talking. He was investigating the prowler. It led him to my clients, people like Simon Krieger, Wilson Fisk. Dad couldn't afford to make enemies like that. Not with you and Rio in the picture. So I told him. Hoped he'd back off, and he did. For good. He didn't want me around. Didn't want you to turn out like me. Hope this suit helps you be better. Take care, Spider-Man.
Thank you, Uncle Aaron, for everything.